How to set Vivid Filter as default on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get that vibrant, punchy, and saturated look back on your display. First, open your Settings app from the home screen or app drawer. After that, scroll down through the Settings menu until you find Display and tap on it. From there, look for the Screen Mode option near the top and go ahead and tap on it. At this point, you'll see a couple of options, which are vivid and natural. By default, some phones are set to natural, which makes colors look a little dull and washed out. In the next step, tap on vivid to switch to it, and you should notice the screen colors change immediately and look a lot more vibrant and rich. Following this, just below the screen mode options, you'll see a color balance slider. You can drag it left or right to adjust the warm and cool tones depending on what looks best to you. Once done, tap the back button to exit. Your selection saves automatically, so there's nothing extra you need to do. From here, go ahead and open any photo, video, or app to see the difference for yourself. At this stage, if the colors still don't look right, go back into screen mode and make sure Vivid is still selected and not switch back to natural. Finally, keep in mind that Vivid mode can sometimes make the battery drain slightly faster since the display is working harder to produce those brighter and saturated colors. And that's it. If this display guide helped you get that vivid and punchy look back on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.